We are at the service area taking a break. And guess who's driving? Sarah, do you have a license? Let's go!
Let's go! Mighty Mama pitched a tent.
I don't know how many times.
So it's worth it now. Okay, take a look at the place we're at. Wow! Look at all the mountain in all its glory.
Someone is so relaxed inside. Sarah, why don't you remove the socks? Yeah. Takoyaki to yakisoba ga, and Sarah has her own food.
Rice balls. The bookworm. The worm. You're a wild one. You're wild in the sea, you're wild in the mountains, you're wild everywhere. What about you, Mommy? Are you a mountain person or are you a sea person?
I'm a mountain person.
So it's like the mountain fairy and the sea creature got married. 2 weeks ago, we spent time in the sea creatures area. And this week, we're spending time where?
Mountain. My field.
Literal
Yeah.
field. Look at that.
Mommy, 食べていいこれ?
Look at that. Look at that. All green.
いいじゃん.
This baby is angry with milk. Breathing break.
はい。
お待たせしました。
はい、ありがとうございます。
お決まりでした。
おー。お団子です。
Oh, thank you. She was like chilling.
どう?
Mom.
Good? あっち? サラ、あっちだからちょっと待っててね。はい。You don't like it? あん。あれもう一回。あん。川に着きました。Sarah, you had sea experience today. River experience.
Careful, Mommy. Slippery. There you go. Are you gonna sit down there? Daddy's coming. Did I get there? pretty calm here. Over here.
あ、本当だね。
Yeah.
Someone who did not bring the slippers for water.
It's okay, I'm a Boy Scout.
And what did you learn from there?
I've done this before.
So?
Yes. Oh damn.
Oh, damn.
Oh damn. Let's try that again.
Okay, what did you learn from the Boy Scout?
Shh, quiet. You should not entertain. Oh yeah, knee strength. That's what I'm talking about. What happened to you?
I know, that's your pants, right? It got wet. She's like, those are my pants. Mommy's gonna give you a new pants.
Complain at the police station.
This is the situation after the river activity. 楽しかった? The guy who cannot give up on the modern life.
I'm addicted. Please save me. Hi, Papa. Stilettos and broken bottles. I'm on the corner watching you kiss her. Oh no. Adele. I'm Adele. What's up?